everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share 3 styling ideas for fall in my master bedroom. I hope you enjoy. Being a non-traditional girl, I wanted to share with you the colours that I'm loving this fall. Starting off is my favourite blush pink. I wanted this room to still be very glam, but have lots of fall accents. The blush pink tied in together with some purple throw pillows that I got from TKMAXX, and I added some gold accents to add to the room. Above my bed, I added my blush pink chandelier canvas that I recently picked up from TKMAXX. When styling my bed for the fall, I like to use coverlets on my bed. I find, guys, that they sit so nicely on my bed rather than a doona cover, and I love how cozy and thick they are. This pink one is from PILLOWTALK Australia, and the silver damask one that I have in the middle of the bed is from TKMAXX. On my nightstands, I have these blush pink fake flowers from TKMAXX, as well as this adorable little gold pumpkin. Behind my nightstands, I've added these mirrors that I recently picked up from Spotlight. This adorable pom-pom throw is from Adair's, and the pumpkin is from TKMAXX. The little gold love heart cushion is from Spotlight. Fall decorating, guys, is my favourite pastime. I love to bring new, fresh ideas into my bedroom, and I love having fall accents throughout the room. The knot pillow, guys, is also a purchase from PILLOWTALK Australia. Now, guys, I'm not normally one to style with purple, but I couldn't resist these soft, beautiful plush cushions from TKMAXX. And I absolutely love how they go so well with the blush pink. My style number 2, guys, is a combination of whites, silvers and fake fur. I love the combination of all of these together, and I love the coziness that white and silver can still bring to a room. On my bed, I added that silver and white damask coverlet that I picked up from TKMAXX, and combining together, I added these fake fur throws in the animal print in the cushions as well as the throw. I picked these up from eBay, guys, and they're so soft and cozy, and I think goes so perfectly with my bed. added a little silver pumpkin from TKMAXX, as well as my DIY pumpkin cushion at the front. I'll leave a link to that video down below. Because I have a lot of mirrored furniture in my room, guys, I like to warm things up a lot. I love adding fake fur and comforters to really cozy up the space. On my nightstands, I have these fake white flowers as well as these candle holders, and in the front is my DIY pumpkins that I recently uploaded, and I'll leave a link to that video down below. Above my bed, guys, I have this stunning canvas that I picked up from Adairs. My white fur chair is actually a DIY project using a white fake throw. I'll leave a link to that video down below. Because my room has a black wallpaper feature wall, I like to use different types of accent colours to really warm up the space in the fall season. I love the combination of the warm tones with the silver in this particular style. And guys, my final style involves navy blue. Now, I don't tend to decorate with navy, but I was really drawn to this colour lately. Here I've used my navy blue ottoman from Big W. I've added a bowl from TKMAXX with my DIY pumpkins. Then I've added a navy throw from Big W, as well as my Z Gallery pumpkins. On the bed is a latte coloured coverlet set from PILLOWTALK. And above my bed is a blue canvas, also from PILLOWTALK. I've also combined gold accents as well. I think the combination of the navy with the latte colour and the gold accents really warms up the space. In front of my bed, I've added 3 navy cushions that I recently picked up from Spotlight, and the pumpkin cushion in the front is from an Etsy store called SIPPINGICETEAETSY. I'll leave a link to that store down below. Fall is such a pretty season, and I love with this particular colour how warm and inviting it made this room. On my nightstands, I added the bling candle holders again, as well as this little gold and white pumpkin and a gold glitter leaf that was a Christmas decoration from last year. These wall candle holders I absolutely fell in love with, guys, recently at TKMAXX, and I've added a gold glitter battery operated candle to them. To the right hand side is my Hollywood mirror, which is from eBay, and above that is my GIRLBOSS sign, also from TKMAXX. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you in some small way to have that cozy fall bedroom this fall season. Let me know in the comments down below which of these was your favourite. Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'm still aiming for that 20,000 subscribers, guys, where I can announce a wonderful giveaway for you. So I would love for you to hit that subscribe button, tap that notification bell, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.